northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Memorial Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pasadena, Pearland, Deer Park, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Northern Manville, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side, or North Line, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, 2nd Ward, Greater Heights, South Belt Ellington, and Nartown, or Montrose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.